Welcome to Soft Serve and Shake Consulting. Carpigiani Soft Serve and Shake Consultants turns your idea into a successful business with your perfect cup. Soft Serve and Shake Consulting is Carpigiani's revolutionary approach for adding or adapting soft serve and milkshake concepts to your business. In order to develop the perfect cup for your business, Soft Serve and Shake Consultants aids customers by offering the best and most suitable technological solutions, along with the creation of exclusive recipes, realization of food design concepts, and consultancy for food operations management. The 4 pillars of Soft Serve and Shake Consulting are operations management, mix and recipe development, food style, machining configuration and settings. Operations management. Our commercial team suggests soft serve and shake concepts for your business and finds the right machine for your existing or future locations. What is the retail concept? What is the profitability target? What sales flow is expected? These are just some of the questions our experts will ask to find the best solution for you. Mix and recipe development. Our team of food technologists helps you refine your recipe or create it from scratch. In order to create a consistent final product ideal for your customer taste profiles, a UHT, powdered, or even artisan liquid mixture can be suggested or developed. Our team of food technologists will tackle these subjects. What type of mix? What type of flavor and texture? Does the mix need to be pasteurized? Food style. Our team of food designers suggest classic or new and unique ways of presenting your soft serve or milkshake. They can develop aesthetically pleasing soft serve or milkshake cups that are easily replicable for your concept that is designed to fit your culinary goals and staffing reality. Which colors, shapes, and packaging for your perfect cup? What are the latest food trends in your market? What style will best fit your concept? These are just some of the questions our experts will address to find the best cup for you. Machine configuration and settings. Our team of technicians configures and sets up your machine to make the ideal soft serve or milkshake for your business. Which feeding system, gears, pumps, or gravity? Which consistency setting? Which nozzle for your soft serve? These are just some of the questions our technicians use to align Carpigiani's technology for specified flavor goals such as desired taste, texture, and overrun. Every day, more and more businesses are beginning to add new and innovative versions of soft serve and milkshakes to their menu. Carpigiani Soft Serve and Shake Consulting can help you navigate the different possibilities that are right for your business. The 4 pillars of Soft Serve and Shake Consulting create the perfect cup that is easy to make and easy to replicate in all existing or future locations. Speak with your Carpigiani distributor to learn more about how Soft Serve and Shake Consulting can help add your future soft serve or milkshake concept to your business.